how are you doing? I hope you're great. And as you see here on my PC, we have a new dev update on Windows 11 Insider Preview. It's build 235.21.1000. And as you see on my previous version, let's see the difference. 235 is it here 235, and you see here this is the 16, this is the 21, and that's the difference in the there's two number, but we will see what's the difference on the, of course, on the this update. You must see what is different in that, not in the these two number, but of course I expect something new, and we'll see. Of course it came out, it must be something new. And as you see now, I'm downloading, and it's there almost 60%, 6%, but it should go. And if you are not, please subscribe, like, and share. Like, subscribe on my channel for more videos like this, and you will be always in touch, so you can just go on your PC and you can check, and you have my previous videos for this update. It's on dev channel, so it's easy. You can go to, of course, here, and for the Windows Insider program, and down go to get Windows to be Windows Insider program partner, and just sign in with your Microsoft or any another account, email or something. Of course, email must be, and that's it. And when you after that, you just choose. You will see Canary, Dev, Beta, and Insider Preview on the last. And you can choose. I choose the Dev, and I am on the Dev now. And I don't have any problem. I can tell you I don't have really too much problem here on the dev channel, and it's like this is on dev you have a new spotlight and really great pictures. And so guys, that will be all for now. I'm downloading. Like I said, watch my video, watch this, and after this, like, subscribe, and for more videos. And of course I will record what is new and on this update, and that will be all. So guys, thank you for watching, and bye.